Welcome to Grow Adept. Here we bring learners of all ability levels together. Whether you're the seasoned vet looking for the to-the-point answer, or you're the day one programmer in greater need of that in-depth explanation, we've got you covered. So to use the site, simply go ahead and create an account and then click Choose Course. And let's go ahead and go with Golang Basics. This will bring us to our Grow Skills section. This is a review starting with the first concept and proceeding through the course. Make sure that you've created an account and are logged in so that way it can keep track of your progression for you. Once you feel comfortable with the explanation for a particular concept, go ahead and click the Got It button, and that will take you to the next concept. Now, should you want to look at a particular concept within the course, go ahead and click Course Outline. This will bring up an outline of all the concepts where you can simply find the concept you want and click on it. Now, the very short, concise answers will be towards the top with the greater, more in-depth explanations towards the bottom. So a level 1 card is simply an explanation for the seasoned vet. As you can see here, our explanation is not that far off of what you might find in the API documentation. And as you would expect, a level 2 explanation will be more in-depth than a level 1. You can go ahead and make blocks of code that have their own specific background color, as well as little snippets of code as well. And if you want to, you can even enter a YouTube video into your card. Level 3 cards will be the greatest level of explanation. If you've ever had someone tell you, hey, just explain it to me like I'm 5, well, that's the type of answers you would find here. Now, as the technology updates, so should the courses. So to edit a course, go ahead and click Edit. And let's say there's a concept that isn't being covered. Maybe something new has come out in the technology. Simply go ahead and press the plus button beside a concept, and that will create a concept directly after that concept that it was beside. Now, if you wanted to add a card to explain something, maybe you think there should be a shorter, concise level 1 explanation, go ahead and just click on a plus beside one of the cards. If you think there should be a much more in-depth explanation, you can do that as well. And even if there's an explanation at that level, but you feel you could explain it better, go ahead and add one. The voting system will make sure that the best explanations rise to the top. So, thank you for joining me, and I hope this helps you with your learning journey.